I'd also like to welcome up Al Sully. Al is not here. Okay, we're missing one candidate. And then is Drew Evans here? Great.
Good morning, my name is Drew Evans. I'm running for Congress in the 45th District. I'd like to thank the Irvine Chamber for inviting me here today. Since getting my master's degree in 1975, I've had 3 jobs, one in the public sector and 2 in business. I've spent 10 years working with San Diego County Mental Health, helping people through the county's crisis team. I also had a private counseling practice, helping families and couples to solve their problems. Specialized Training Services is a company that I founded 29 years ago. To date, we have provided advanced training to over 70,000 professionals from law enforcement, mental health, and education. My company has kept our young people safer by providing key employee training on school violence prevention at every University of California campus. We've helped keep our children safer by training those who conduct sexual predator evaluations. And we've kept our congressmen safer by training the United States Capitol Police on advanced threat assessment and threat management. If you remember 2008, and how could we forget, the worst economic meltdown since the Great Depression, massive unemployment, foreclosures, our retirement accounts going into the tank. Training is the first thing to go when the economy is bad, and this time it felt like my phones would never ring again. I woke up every day worried about how I would make payroll. Slowly things improved, but in 2011 came the crisis over the national debt, then the sequester, then the unnecessary government shutdown, and again my phone stopped ringing. Last October came another close call on debt default. Poor governance was making it impossible for my business to succeed. We can do better, but to do so will take a congressman committed to making our country better, not simply saying no to everything or grandstanding for political points. I believe we can improve Congress, one member at a time. For your business to succeed, it needs a good plan. It needs qualified help and many other factors, but it also needs a government that does not undermine your efforts. Importantly, you need people who will buy what you're selling. For consumers to do that, they need confidence. Confidence that they won't lose their job tomorrow. Confidence that the government won't default on its debt or shut itself down. Can I help with that? Yes, I can. I have 2 jobs proposals on my website, one of which would work even during government gridlock, plus many other ways to stimulate the economy and build consumer confidence. You may not share all of my political views, but nobody agrees fully with another person. Most importantly, you need a representative who understands business and knows the hard work and sacrifice that is required to be successful. You need someone with a proven track record of problem solving and sound judgment. I bring this to my candidacy along with a lifetime of fiscal responsibility. Whether you're Republican, Independent, or Democrat, it matters not. Like many of you, I've coached my children's Little League teams and paid to send my kids to college. When we're stuck in endless traffic jams, politics is irrelevant. It hurts us all. I'm not a politician, but a middle-class business entrepreneur, trying to get ahead just like so many of you in this room. However, when government hinders our ability to do that, I'm compelled to do something about it. We're all Americans first. We want our businesses to thrive, and we want to keep our families safe. And we want our elected leaders to lead, to provide real solutions, and to get things done on our behalf. We need a congressman whose sole goal is to represent your best interests, the people of Orange County. I pledge to do exactly that. I stand ready to work with each and every one of you. I will make our government better, more responsive to you, and work to create business conditions where we can all prosper. I ask for your support. Thank you.